As there is no HDMI, USB-A or SD card slot on a new MacBook Pro, if you need some I/O ports on 2016 or 2017 MacBook Pro, you need a dongle or a hub. Hey, what's up guys, this is Farooq and this is HyperDrive Thunderbolt 3 USB-C hub for MacBook Pro. Out of the box, you will get USB-C hub, a carrying pouch. That's a nice touch if you're traveling, going to college or university. You can put it in your bag and don't worry about the scratch. I got this space gray to match my MacBook Pro. It's a really nice device, allow you to connect multiple devices. This hub will occupy both USB-C port on the side of the MacBook Pro and it flush fit. In returns, you will get one Thunderbolt 3, one USB-C, one HDMI, two USB-A, one micro SD card reader and one SD card reader. LED indicate when it connects to the MacBook Pro. The top port is Thunderbolt 3 and can charge the MacBook Pro and also can use for 4K 60Hz monitor. But if you use the HDMI, you will get only 4K 30Hz. The bottom port is regular USB-C and it shares connectivity with the USB Type A or SD card slots. Plug in the SD card is a little awkward because SD card need to be face down and just a little tight. And didn't go all the way in, but it works. The micro SD card located top of the SD card reader and it works fine. The other thing I noticed when I unplug the USB or the memory card, the entire hub pull out. Although it's a great hub for the price point and you will get some extra I/O ports instead of Apple dongles that are expensive and you must have to have 2 or 3. I want to mention that I paid for this thing with my own fund. Let me know in the comments what's your thoughts. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. That is it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.